Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Trillionaire Mac, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down a EURUSD day trade, right, that I took this morning based on supply and demand flips, right? Now, if you guys want a video revolving around supply and demand flips, drop it in the comments down below. And if we have enough individuals that are interested in how I see supply and demand flips and how I take advantage of them, I will drop a video this week going over my supply and demand flip strategy, and you guys can add it to your day trading and benefit as well. Now, if you're not a part of the YouTube family, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube community. I would love to have you a part, right? Leave a like on this video if you enjoy the breakdown, and also feel free to go on your charts and back test this on your own. All right, see what you may have missed, see what you could have done, things like that. All right, so with that being said, we're going to get into a quick commercial break, and then we're going to get right into the breakdown. Sit back, relax, and let's get into it. This trade was taken, but a core student of mine who actually lives out in Germany sent this trade to me, and as you guys can see, we are in deep profit. This is not a bad trade whatsoever. His name is actually Otto, right? And he sent me a message today, and he is now a funded trader. So I wanted to shout out this trade that he sent me. Because of this trade here, he is now a funded trader. So he says, "Hey Mac, I wanted to say a huge thank you to you and the team. I just passed phase 2 of my funded account. I am now a 6-figure trader." Guys, this is absolutely bananas. He says, "Through all the long, restless nights, I can truly say your course made it all worth it. I wish I would have found you 2 years ago." Ha. "And the trading plan you teach us in the course, I don't know why you share that type of knowledge publicly. Feel free to check out my trading plan. It literally breaks down from A to Z exactly what I look for, and it makes it very, very simple for you guys to have a 1, 2, 3-step process. Looking forward to joining the mentorship. Now that I'm funded, I would like to learn your day trading style within your mentorship program. Once again, my family and I thank you, Mac. My wife is so grateful for the patience you had with us. Kind regards, Otto." Shout out to Otto using the information within the institutional trading course to take his family to the next level. He is now a 6-figure trader. I want you guys to get this information in your hands before the price changes. Go right now, click the link in the description, check out the course, purchase it, and make sure you use the discount code. Do not pay full price. All right, I'll catch you guys within the video. Let's get it. All right, so this trade here was really all about being fluid with the market. All right, now I know you guys are waiting for the masterclass. I receive DMs on a daily basis of you all asking, is there any update with the masterclass? What is it coming? More information on the masterclass will be dropped soon for you guys. I'm excited that you guys are excited and ready for it because I have something really special for those individuals. Now, this trading session, like I said earlier, was really all about being fluid with the market, right? So we were first looking for a possible buy opportunity here where we can see this doji / pin bar type of candle here, and then a nice move to the upside, and then we see that price came right back down and took us out right here and continued to push to the downside. So once this took place, really this trade was just based on expectational order flow on the M15 time frame. Now, if you all don't understand expectational order flow, feel free to check out a previous video that I did, I want to say within the month of September. It's based around weak highs, weak lows, strong highs, and strong lows. All right, and it will definitely assist you with understanding expectational order flow and how I use it. So as we can see here, right, if we just take out the highlighter tool, we can see we have a lower high here, we have a lower low, right? So this lower high was directly responsible for printing this lower low and taking out the demand that we had resting below this area here. Once we created that lower low, my anticipation was that price was going to give us a retracement and create a lower high somewhere at some type of supply that was resting within premium pricing, right? So if we go down to the proper correlating time frame, right, we can see on the M1 time frame, right, price trades into this higher time frame point of interest here based on the M15, sweeping liquidity, changing momentum with that push to the downside, and we see that we have a valid change of momentum at this M15 point of interest, giving us a valid reaction that we could possibly trade from. Are you consistently profitable week in and week out within the market? If not, the Telegram community is going to be for you. What's going on, guys? My name's Mac. This is going to be just a quick commercial going over the March trading results of our Telegram community. So as you guys can see, last month, within the month of March, we produced 43.9% return on investment. That would be a $43,900 withdrawal from a $100,000 funded account, right? So if you guys want to be a part, if you guys want to take advantage of my higher time frame setups and day trades on a daily basis, then feel free to click the link in the description that says Trillionaire Mac Trades Bot. Okay, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram page, and then you can feel free to communicate with me. Feel free to sign up. Feel free to just join the community, join the live trading sessions, join the live trading webinars, and join my daily trade outlooks. So you can take advantage of these trades right along with me. As you guys can see, we produced 9.09%, 9.69%, 16.12%. DXY almost hit our 16% target. It ran about 15% and then reversed on us. EURUSD ran about 11.5% and then also reversed on us. And as you guys can see, our losses are very small, right? We keep them around 1% losses and we leave them at that, right? So all of these trades, we're missing, you guys can't see UCAD and GJ right here, but all of these trades combined equated to about a 43.9% return on investment, which is absolutely phenomenal. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, feel free to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I post trading content on a daily basis. As you guys can see, up trading this morning around 5:35 a.m. Then we posted the results from the Telegram community. And then if I ever have any students or anyone who's a part of the community shout me out, I will shout them out as well. So as you guys can see, shout out to Isaiah Kumar. He's a subscriber as well. He's a part of the YouTube family. Much love for you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting the Telegram community. All the above, my friend. So as you guys can see, he says this community is fire. Absolutely. Hope you guys are able to really take advantage of these trades and pass those funded account challenges. So let's go ahead and get back into the video. If you guys are interested, hit the link in the description. I want you to take advantage of my day trades and my higher time frame trades today. Now let's get back to the video. So I had supply here that I was interested in, also with inducement resting right below. We had a little bit of supply here as well. Let's fix this up really quickly. All right, once again with inducement resting right below. And then last but not least, we also had another flip opportunity right here within this area, once again with inducement resting directly below, right? Now, if you guys don't know what inducement is, feel free to check out my inducement theory video where I break down how I see inducement. Now, of course, that has changed slightly. So for those of you who are course students or mentorship students, you guys have my updated knowledge, my updated perspective on inducement. But for those of you just now getting your feet wet with institutional trading or trying to master the institutional style of trading, feel free to go check out that video. I think right now we're pushing almost 11,000 views. So shout out to you guys for all the support. It would not be possible without you all. So back to the breakdown. So as we can see, we have 3 points of interest within this area here. And if I go back to the M15 time frame, right, I want to understand where is my discount and where is my premium within this entire leg. So if I place this here, we can see that all of our supply points of interest, right, are within premium pricing, which is exactly what we want. So within these areas here, right, once you have your supply points of interest, then you have to understand and figure out what is your risk going to be, right? So in this case here, I was willing to risk 1% at every flip opportunity in order to take this trade back down to this M15 low here in order to create the new lower low that we can see formed for about 32.73R. Now, of course, I didn't catch that entire move to the downside, but my target was this low right here. So now let's talk about these points of interest and why they were my points of interest. So this was my point of interest here simply because this was directly responsible for printing this new lower low, and we also had inducement sitting here. Same thing here. This point of interest was responsible for producing this lower low, and once again we had inducement resting right here, and the same thing for this here. All right, point of interest was directly responsible for producing this lower low, and we also had inducement resting right beneath it, right? So these are all valid opportunities to take a sell position. You can see that price trades into this region here. Okay, and once price actually trades into this region, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But we actually have a sweep of this liquidity here. We have a mitigation of this supply region here, right? And then you really could have broken this down to the 15-second time frame, and your entry could have been right here within this area, right, for an even tighter stop loss. And then you would be looking for price to also target, this low right here as, price tapped in right there within that area, right? So not a bad morning day trading, around 13% return on investment. Once again, for those of you who are within the Telegram community, I always send at least one day trade every single morning within the Telegram community, right? We were trying to take a position here, right? As you guys can see, we had that nice push to the upside, and then the flip to that was going to be the sell right here, right? So for those of you who aren't a part of the Telegram community, you guys are definitely missing out on my day trades as well as my higher time frame points of interest. So feel free to click the link in the description, join the Telegram community. We have a live webinar also coming on this coming Thursday, and I would love to see you there, right? So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to DM me, drop it down in the comments below, right? And I'm looking forward to you joining the mentorship program. I'm looking forward to you becoming a course student so we can take your trading to the next level. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.